Are you suffering with dry, breaking, damaging hair? You want something that you can do to maintain your hair length, or your hair is not growing? Stay tuned with me because this is the natural relaxer cream, homemade cream. It completely changed my hair story and my daughter. I applied this to my hair. After that, I decided to use it for my daughter 1 month ago and be using it. And the result is so amazing, my people. So stay tuned if you are suffering with dry, damaging hair. This hair mask must be the hair mask you are searching for. Well, I use one avocado. So now I'm just cutting my avocado into 2 pieces. I'm going to remove the peel and also remove the seed inside. So my people, this is the powerful homemade hair mask. It's just a simple natural ingredients that you can just grab from your kitchen. It's not something that you will suffering. You are going to thinking, how am I going to get this? How am I going? You have it. Some of you people, you have it inside your kitchen. So just go inside your kitchen and grab it and make your natural relaxer. You can see this avocado peel, how small it is. I have never seen avocado peel like this. Anyway, after avocado put inside, now I'm adding 1 egg into my avocado. So my people, now what I'm showing is my olive leaf. I'm already have the powder, so I'm going to add the olive powder inside. Well, if you say maybe you cannot get the olive leaf or olive powder, you can still use, maybe you can blend rosemary and add inside, or you can blend moringa also to add inside. You can also just make it without adding extra anything, and you can get the same benefit. Okay, yes. My people, the thing look very thick, so I'm going to add olive oil small and blend it. Well, while I'm blending it, let's check and see the benefit of avocado. Avocado is packed with healthy fatty and nutrients. It also helps to moisturize dry hair and can also improve softness and shining to your hair. Avocado is having vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin B5 and biotin. So it means all these things, when you put it inside, those nutrients, it will help to nourish this hair and also support healthy scalp. As friends, I always said it on my videos, healthy hair always starting from the healthy scalp. If you have a healthy scalp, then you are lucky. Definitely you will get, your hair will get blue. So after straining, the next ingredient that I'm adding now is my yogurt. Why I'm adding the yogurt, let's check and see the egg benefit. Egg is rich in protein, we all know it. It strengthens hair primarily. It's also strong in making your hair to get more strong. It's having vitamin D, beauty. It's also having vitamin A, vitamin 12, and also egg is helping hair to feel very strong while you are using it. Now after that, I added my yogurt, I added my olive oil, I'm adding the olive oil inside again. So let's check and see olive powder or olive leaf. It's also conditioning your hair naturally. It's having antioxidant. It also helps to protect your hair or protect your scalp from any bad damaging or any stress, and supporting overall scalp healthiness. Olive leaf is also packed with nutrients. It's having vitamin E also. It's helping scalp to create a better environment for healthy looking hair. So it's very good. While yogurt also known for moisturizer, it's moisturizing, it's helping to moisturize your hair, it's conditioning the hair naturally. It's also improving softness and manageability. It's having vitamin B2, B12, calcium, and potassium. That is what yogurt also have. So it's very good. All these nutrients and vitamins, when you put it together and it's go inside your hair, you know what you are going to get. Yeah, you know what your hair is going to, or your scalp is going to thank you, because this is the natural fertilizer, hair fertilizer. Use it to relax your hair, to make your to relax your hair. You yourself, you are going to feel very good after using this hair mask, and you will thank me later, because this hair mask is a game changer, my people. Well, what the only painful was that, like, when I'm going to apply to my daughter, I was thinking that my phone is, I'm still having battery, not knowing that my battery was went off. So I could not wait to, to charge my phone before make the application for you guys to see. So I just apply it to my daughter for so. But after that, after I wash it, I bring it. But I wish you should I see the beginning and see the result. It's a mind blowing, my people. But anyway, after I finish washing her hair. I bring her up there to comb me for you guys to see how her hair is looking. So now, after you mix everything, the next thing that before you apply this, make sure your thing is very clean and your scalp is very clean. Whether you can use normal regular water or you use Ayurvedic spray to spray into your hair, make sure that your hair is a little bit damp. You can see the benefit of coconut oil. Coconut oil is also most popular hair oil that people know. Is using for centuries. They are using coconut oil. It's very very good. It helps to reduce hair, breaking, hair lossing. It's keeping your hair moisturizer. It's improving shining and softness to your hair. It's also having fat acid, vitamin E, and antioxidant. Coconut oil, it's also, people are using it to for so many things, so many ways. You can use it for beauty care, hair care, so many things. You can use coconut oil, and it's having a lot of benefit. So after that, guys, I added peppermint essential oil, I added honey inside. All these things is having benefit. Before you apply it, make sure to spray the water into your scalp like that. Massage it very well, and you see how I do my hand and apply the thing. Your scalp also you can apply, because you cannot be washing your feet and you don't want to wash under your foot. You have to wash your foot also while you are washing your feet, right? So when you are applying this hair mask, try to apply with your edges is most important, because that's the oldest part. But the scalp itself, make sure this thing also touch your scalp. Leave it on your hair for 40 minutes. As an adult, you can leave it for 40 minutes or 1 hour before go and wash it. Get a shower cap or rubber bag to cover it. But if you are going to use it for a child like my daughter, age like 2 to 3 years, 3 years, because my daughter is now 3 years, 3 years old child, if you are going to apply it to a 3 years old child, make sure to apply it and allow her to sit like 15 to 20 minutes is enough, so that you can go and wash it off. Okay, 15 to 20 minutes is okay for a child, but the adult, you can sit maybe, let's say, 40 minutes, even 1 hour. You can sit before you go and wash your hair. Make sure to rinse your hair thoroughly, wash it very well. Don't make the things remain inside. Now you can see my hand, the different. You make sure to wash your hair very well and come out. Use your leave-in conditioner and your oils to do what? To moisturize, to keep your hair moisturized, my people. So now what I do was, like, because like when I said my phone was went off, so I couldn't film it. So actually, after we finished, even I couldn't do anything. I just tie it. So you can see how shiny my daughter hair is looking. So I just tie her hair and allow her go to bed and sleep. So this morning I said, okay, let me just moisturize it, because yesterday I couldn't do anything. So but before I moisturize it, I cannot do it while the hair is, dry like this. Definitely, I need some hydrating things to use to hydrate, spray into her scalp before I apply the leave-in conditioner and the oil and the butters. Well, my people, as I'm talking to you, please, if you watch it up to this point and you know that you haven't subscribed, kindly do me a favor, subscribe to my channel, like it and share for me. Thank you very much for your lovely support. To my returning subscribers, guys, I cannot take you guys for granted. I really appreciate you all. Until our next video, bye bye.